shy now. This is Tina. Tina, look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. This is my little baby, Tina. Look, she's so cute, guys. So hey guys, so in today's video I'm just going to be talking about this protective hairstyle I decided to do, and it's basically just crochet. I did try to record a little bit of it for you guys to see how it was done, but it was literally just basic. Everyone knows, I feel like everyone knows how to do crochet, but my mum helped me do it basically, and I'm just showing you how it looks. I'm really happy with it. It's nice and long. It's longer, it was longer than this yesterday, but I did cut it a little bit because it was a bit too long. But I love it because I like long hair. But I really wanted to start doing some protective hairstyles to help my hair grow, and I haven't done like a protective hairstyle like braids or anything like that for a long time. So to have my hair braided, it was really, really nice because I hadn't done it in a long time because my hair was short. But yeah, I'm happy that I was able to do that. So before I start this before I start this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And if you do want a more detailed video on how to crochet, I can do that later on because I might redo this hairstyle. So if you want that, please say, and I will do so. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned. So the hair that I use, sorry, this is the leftover. The hair that I used is basically the Freetress Braid crochet hair. It's in the style Deep Twist 28 inches, and it's in the colour 1B. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like this, if you can see that. And yeah, it was 22 inches, but because I wanted it longer, my mum did a thing where she, let me just explain it properly because you're not going to understand. Basically, it doesn't matter if you want your hair to be nice and long, but you get 22 inches, it doesn't matter because there's a way that you can do it for it to be longer, which is what I like about this. So, sorry, it's a bit not, I've tied it up. But this is what the hair looks like when you take it out of the packaging. It's like this. And then literally, when my mum was crocheting my hair, I would give her sections like this much and she would just crochet it into my braids. With my braiding pattern, I don't think I showed it in the video, but it was basically just simple all back. And then there was one line braided across. And my mum did a neat kind of crochet line. That one line that's going across my back of my head is just neatly done so that when I pack my hair up, it doesn't look scanty, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. So instead of just getting the hair and crocheting it to be this length, she crocheted it like that, like this. So there's this bit of hair like this. So it's much more longer. And then the higher she got, she took it back a little bit, so it was layered. And then when she got right to the top, she took it and just did half. So it basically gave the layers, and it wasn't like two, like one length, if that made sense. I hope I'm making sense in what I've just said. But I did go back and cut a bit more layers into their hair because it was way bigger than this, but I just cut into it. When it comes to doing this type of hairstyle, I feel like buying a pack extra is better because it's better to be safe than sorry. So I got 5 packs and I did use 4.5, like 4 and maybe over a half. But yeah, I feel like for this, if you want this hairstyle, maybe 5 packs would be great for you. So when my mum braided my hair, I did ask her to leave some baby hairs out just to make it a bit more, so I could just slick my edges basically. And if you're the type of person where you're going to do this yourself, it really doesn't matter if your base isn't that neat because it doesn't matter. But I did find that doing smaller braids was nicer for me because I felt like if the braids were massive, the crochet would be kind of scanty, if that made sense. So I would recommend you doing smaller cane rows at the front at least, so that it looks a bit more neater and a bit more like realistic, if that made sense. But yeah, this is the hair, and you can flip it wherever you want. I can pack it up high. I might do some for you now for you guys to see, but yeah.
Easily I fall in love, you gotta
So that's it for the styling. The reason why I really like this is because it's going to be easy for me to moisturize my scalp, and I'm not going to have to like continuously wake up and slick my edges, like lay my frontal down and all that type of stuff. So it's not going to be time consuming. So if you're the type of person that you don't want to have to do too much to your hair, this would be really, really nice for you. Obviously it's a bit of maintenance because it's curly hair, but you could always do straight if you wanted to. But I like the volume of the curly hair, and it's quite versatile because you can put it up, put it down, as I showed you. So yeah, I'm really happy with this hair. So I will keep you updated about the hairstyle, if it's growing my hair, and yeah, just let me know if you want me to do like a more in-depth crochet hairstyle, because I might record another one and all that type of jazz. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.